Ayo. Ako nga pala si Shasha at isang Pinay na nakapangasawa ng Indiano at hindi man marami ang aming buhay pero masayang naninirahan dito sa Kerala, India. At kung curious ka, watch mo to. Na ako. So, 4:30 pa lang gising na kami kasi 3 hours yung biyahe namin. Pupunta kami ng Coorg? Coorg and what is it? What is the other word of it? Coorg and Curaga. Okay. So, yun. Pupunta kami ng Coorg, Curaga. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-research pa kasi tawag dito, 6 PM pa lang sinabi sa akin to. And syempre nag-prepare pa ako ng mga bagay-bagay. But anyway, excited ako kasi this is my favorite way ng pagta-travel, yung inaabot ng mga daling araw. Tignan nga, dilim-dilim pa oh. Tapos mag-motor kami for 3 hours. Exciting! So, mamaya ipapakita namin sa inyo. Sabi nila, yung place na yon sa Karnataka is, tawag dito? Tinatawag lang Scotland of India. Parang ganun. Right, medyo madilim pa. Ayan. Muna kami? Breathe muna kami. Sobrang excited lang siguro to. Tsaka, ilang oras lang. How many hours we sleep? Anyway, excited. Naka-helmet. Okay, let's go, baby! Turn off natin to. Dilim pa. Boom! Yung sasakyan lang ng It's not captured in this. Pangit. Full tank. Puti talaga oh. Kapogi oh.
Better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to.
Minto muna kami dito. Meron pa kaming 1 hour and 46 minutes. Rest muna kami. Tired ang driver ko oh. Not yet. Let's have breakfast. This is what they called Idiyappam and Berlepam. Magkaiba yung dosha at saka Berlepam.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Larga ulit kami and mamaya mag-stop pa kami somewhere. Kailangan namin humintuin to para tawag dito, makapahinga rin yung bike at makapahinga rin yung driver. Ay, motorista. Driver. So we just passed Kerala borders. Nandito na nga kami sa Karnataka state. So, or state of Karnataka. So, according sa mga aking tour, tawag dito, more on nature daw yung madadaanan namin. So, tignan natin yung mga i-video ko na along the way. So, ganda oh. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako makaanong ganda kasi already. Lang to. Border pa na. Ay, nakalagpas na kami ng border ng Kerala. So, naririnig nyo yan. Ito na. Sabi nila, dito daw yung may mga parang wild animals na masasagal. Ano yan? Basta yun. Pero, grabe. Amazed na ako. Ang ganda. Buti na. Hi! Okay.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. where I'll go in life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
Inat-inat! Inat-inat yarn. So, may dala kaming banig. Ay! We brought this! Wow! Nice.
Of course.
Galing talaga.
Oh, Madam is tired. Madam is flexing her ass. Flexing the ass nearby the coffee plantation.
Ang ganda na, no? Look at that, oh. It's so beautiful.
What is she talking about? On the tree? We are in Scotland without a visa.
Tapos yung hinto-hinto lang ng ganito, ganyan. Tapos this nature, ang ganda. Lamig, oh my god. May mga tropa tayong nandito kaya medyo nakakatakot. Larga-larga na ulit kami. This is the second time ng hinto namin. So kailangan siguro mga tatlong hintuan kami for 3 hours travel. So let's go!
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Sana all nakakaihi ng kahit saan eh. Ang hirap pag babae. Naman kami. Last hinto na to. At makakarating na kami sa aming pupuntahan. Inat-inat again! Ganda rin tong site na to. Hindi ko masyado nakaka-capture yung papunta, yung paano kasi masyadong rough yung daan. I can't jump because I want to pee. I can't jump, I want to pee. At ayun, nagpatuloy kami pero huminto pa rin kami ulit dahil palamig ng palamig yung hangin. So, sobrang nakaka-chill, sobrang nakaka-amaze na. And ayun na nga, hindi ko na rin na-video yung huling paghinto namin dahil gusto ko munang namnangin at talagang i-breathe in, breathe out yung kapaligiran.
Through a lot of pain, some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Way back a year ago.
Ay, right tayo, love. Here. No. There's no. Basta right lang. Correct.
There are coffee plantation
പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ? കോഫി ഫാക്ടറി, കോഫി പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് എല്ലാം കാണാൻ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. അന്നേട്ടാ തമിഴ് ഹിന്ദി
This problem. Huh?
If you would like to visit the coffee plantation and like that, you can go in this car.
Sabi na nag-ano-ano.